In this video, we'll be covering how to search for listings within LACDB. Right now, we're on the home screen. To get to the search page, simply click Search in the top menu. Over on the left-hand side, we're presented with the list of items that we can search for, including properties for sale or lease, businesses for sale, expired or withdrawn listings, sale or lease comparables, property histories, posted needs or wants, members, companies, or if you know the listing's ID, you can type it in here, press go, and be presented with the property report. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to stick with properties for sale or lease. In the main window, we're presented with the list of filters, first of which is street address. You can type in the exact address or just the street name to return more results. The next filter is location, which includes city, state, zip code, parish, or submarkets. To choose a submarket, click the Choose Submarkets button over on the right. Find the submarket on the map, select the corresponding checkbox, and then click Add Submarket. The next filter is Keyword. This searches the entire listing for the word that we type in the blank. This is useful for searching through listing names or through listing descriptions. The next filter is Size, which we can set a minimum, a maximum, or a range expressed in square feet or acres. We can then select property types, either one or multiple, listing types, or specialty types, including opportunity zones. Once we have all of our filters set, we can then click Search Listings. This brings us to the results page, expressed in a list view. If you would rather, you can change that to a map view by pressing Map View at the top. Listings are displayed with an icon that represents what type of property it is. So right here we have a cash register, which indicates a retail or commercial property. You'll notice that some of these are numbers instead of icons. That means that there are more listings than can be displayed in that geographical area. To see those listings, zoom in. Over on the left-hand side, we have a list of filters that we can use to refine our results. If there is a filter that you do not see, you can add an additional search filter by pressing the plus sign at the top of the list, selecting from the list, and it will appear. Down at the very bottom of the filters is a number of items returned. This is the number of listings that match our search criteria. Selecting the checkbox next to each listing adds additional functionality. We can view the selected, clear the selected, compare them, email them, create a report, which we can customize, add to a catalog, which is used to collect relevant listings or transactions for later analysis or to share. You'll also receive automatic notifications whenever changes are made to these listings. And finally, we can export the listings data by choosing a format, selecting the fields, and then at the very bottom, clicking Export. And that concludes how to search for listings within LACDB.